Well, it is the first week of spring right now, and currently we've got a cold front pushing through, as in right now it is moving through, and because of that, temperatures are going to drop just a bit behind it. Good news is we've got dry weather headed our way for Thursday and Friday. After that, however, we could get a little stormy come the weekend. Right now, though, no storms, just dealing with some nice, pretty thick clouds over top of us. A little bit of sunshine making its way through here and there, but for the most part, it is mostly cloudy skies right now. Temperatures, though, 77, so it's pretty warm and kind of a bit muggy, too, with that dew point at 57. We've got winds bringing up some moisture out of the west-southwest at 9 miles per hour currently, and temperatures throughout the Magnolia State very warm. 74 degrees, kind of mid-70s all the way through, all the way at 81 in Jackson as that warm moisture is coming out of the south. Tupelo colder at 69 degrees, you'll see, however. Part of that is because the front has actually started to rain there. They've got a lot of thick clouds up to the northeast, and also that's where they're starting to see some rain push through, so that helped to cool them down. But if you really take a good look at this front that's making its way right through northern Mississippi now, you can see where this line of clouds are. Out ahead of this, we've got clouds. Behind that, we've got cooler temperatures. So cooler temperatures are on the way for us. Futurecast really depicts this better, kind of thickens up those clouds a little so you can see them easier as well. Here's that line of clouds, mostly dry for us, as most of the precipitation is out off to the east of that and even a little bit south of us along I-20. So as this all pushes off to the east, it's going to be some nice clearing behind it and maybe a few isolated clouds up north, but for the most part, going to be clear skies all the way through Friday. After that, though, we've got another weather system coming. Here are all these clouds. It's going to push its way through. Here it is. It's going to come on Saturday and into Saturday night as low pressure starts to build north of Mississippi. And as it swings by, it's got this trailing cold front that's going to push through. Out ahead of that, it's going to tap into that Gulf moisture with those southerly winds. That's going to give us some strong, possibly severe storms. However, that is still Saturday and into Sunday, so we can't really nail down the timing of that yet. Stay tuned to Campus Connect and we'll tell you all about it. What we can tell you about it is that as this system begins to dump some of that rain, it is not going to help out river stages right now because we are already dealing with flood warnings all along the Mississippi River. All this green is flood warnings as a lot of places have already reached or nearing their flood stage. A lot of places just a couple inches below, and we're going to get a couple inches of rain from the system. Also contributing to that is rain further up north and some melting snow north as well. All of it combining to cause some serious flooding in places like Vicksburg, Greenville, anywhere along that river right now, all those counties dealing with the flood warning. So that is a major concern moving forward all the way through the weekend. Tonight, though, the only concern is 50 degrees and partly cloudy. It's not a concern at all, actually. It's going to be delightful out. Northwest winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And then tomorrow, it's going to be slightly cooler. Going to get to 69 degrees, and we got around to 80 today, so it's about 10 degrees cooler, in fact. And sunny conditions as well. Your 5-day forecast looks pretty nice for a couple of days at least. Thursday and Friday, sunny conditions right around 70 degrees. Then we warm up right ahead of that front, and as it pushes through, we're going to have some severe weather come Saturday night and into Sunday morning. Could really put the thunderstorms either place there, Saturday or Sunday. And then Monday, some of that moisture will still lag behind as temperatures will begin to drop. Thank you for logging on. I'm meteorologist Kevin Roth.